Hey there, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into the secret sauce behind some of the world's most successful people. Those daily routines and millionaire morning habits that set them up for success long before the rest of us have even had our coffee. Have you ever wondered what millionaires do before 9 a.m. that the rest of us miss out on? Well, today we're pulling back the curtain on the 5 essential habits that will not only transform your mornings, but also your financial future. So grab your notepad, because we're about to break down the powerful habits that the rich and successful swear by. And don't worry, you don't need millions in the bank to start implementing these habits. Anyone can do it. Let's get into it. It's not magic, and it's not luck. It's a combination of hard work, dedication, and smart habits. And believe it or not, many of those habits are formed in the first few hours of the day. Habit number 1, rise early and win the day. It might sound cliche, but the first habit that successful people swear by is getting up early. We've all heard the saying, the early bird catches the worm, but in this case, the early bird catches the wealth. Think about it. If you wake up 2 hours earlier than usual, that's 14 extra hours a week. That's like adding an entire extra day to your week. Millionaires, CEOs, and top performers consistently report waking up between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m., giving them a massive head start on their day. Let's break down why this habit is a game changer. Quiet time for clarity. The early morning hours are often the only quiet time we get in our fast-paced lives. By waking up before everyone else, you create a space to think clearly and plan without distractions. Imagine what you could achieve if you had an extra hour of calm, focused time every morning. For many successful people, this is their golden hour. A time to set goals, meditate, or even just enjoy some quiet reflection. Mental edge. Studies show that waking up early gives you a psychological edge. When you've already accomplished a few key tasks before most people even hit snooze on their alarm, you feel ahead of the game. It creates a momentum that carries you through the rest of the day. You're not rushing or reacting, you're proactive and in control. 3. Leads to skipping the gym. Early risers are less likely to fall into these traps. They're more intentional with their mornings, which leads to healthier, wealthier decisions throughout the day. Let's take the example of Apple CEO Tim Cook, who reportedly wakes up at 3:45 a.m. to check emails, get ahead on work, and hit the gym. By the time others are clocking in, he's already accomplished key tasks and set the tone for the day. What time do you wake up? Drop a comment below if you're an early bird or a night owl. If you're ready to start waking up earlier, tell us your plan. Habit 2. What's your favorite way to work out? Let us know in the comments, and if you're looking to start, what kind of workout do you want to try tomorrow morning? Habit number 3, morning planning for financial success. The third habit is perhaps the most important for financial success. Planning. Successful people don't just stumble upon wealth. They plan for it. And that planning often starts first thing in the morning. While some people hit snooze, millionaires are busy reviewing their goals, checking their financial strategies, and laying out a roadmap for the day. Setting daily goals. Successful people wake up with a clear vision of what they need to accomplish. By setting daily goals, they ensure their time is spent on high-priority tasks that move them closer to their financial goals. Whether it's closing a deal, researching investments, or networking, they plan their day around their most important task. Budget review. Financially successful individuals also take the time to review their budget, check their spending, and make sure they're on track with their financial goals. A quick 5-minute check on your expenses can make a world of difference in ensuring you're saving and investing in the right places. 3. Visualizing success. Another key component is visualization. Many millionaires take a few minutes every morning to visualize their success. This could be closing a big business deal, hitting a new financial milestone, or even just imagining the freedom that comes with financial independence. Visualization helps to align your mind with your goals, making you more likely to take action. Are you a planner, or do you go with the flow? Comment below if you already plan your mornings, or share what you'll focus on tomorrow to get a head start on your financial goals. Habit number 4, feed the mind, reading and learning. The fourth habit that sets millionaires apart is a commitment to constant learning. While many people might scroll through social media first thing in the morning, successful people prioritize feeding their minds with knowledge that can propel them forward. Whether it's reading a book, listening to a podcast, or even taking an online course, they make learning a non-negotiable part of their morning. 1. Expands knowledge. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Reading or listening to educational content keeps you informed on market trends, financial strategies, and emerging opportunities. This is especially important if you're looking to grow your investments or business. People like Warren Buffett famously spend hours each day reading financial reports, books, and news articles. Inspires new ideas. By exposing yourself to new ideas, you open the door to innovation. Many successful entrepreneurs have credited their reading habits for sparking million-dollar ideas, whether it's learning about new industries or reading biographies of other successful people. Education keeps your mind sharp and ready to seize opportunities. Develops focus and discipline. Setting aside time each morning to read or learn helps you build focus and discipline, qualities that are essential for financial success. If you can train yourself to consistently focus on learning, you'll naturally start to apply that same discipline to your financial habits. Example, Bill Gates is one of the world's wealthiest people, and he attributes a lot of his success to his love of reading. Gates reportedly reads around 50 books a year and encourages others to make reading a daily habit. So there you have it, the 5 millionaire morning habits that can not only transform your day but also lead you on the path to financial success. It's not just about wealth. It's about setting yourself up mentally, physically, and strategically for a day where you feel in control, energized, and ready to win. Imagine waking up every day feeling accomplished before 9 a.m. You've already invested in your mind, body, and financial future, all before the world even begins to stir. These habits might seem simple, but they're powerful when practiced with consistency. Whether it's waking up early, breaking a sweat, taking time to plan, learning something new, or simply visualizing success, each one is a step closer to the life you've always wanted. Remember, success isn't reserved for the elite. It's available to anyone willing to put in the effort. If you're ready to take charge of your mornings and your financial future, start with one habit, build from there. These small changes will create a ripple effect in your life. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these habits are you most excited to implement? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you reach your financial goals. Let's build a community of go-getters, dreamers, and doers, because financial success isn't just a dream, it's a habit. Thanks for watching. Remember, your mornings shape your future, and the best time to start is now.